And hello to you from Molineux here in the English West Midlands. My name is Derek Ray, and joining me for commentary as always is Lee Dixon. And they are a team, Lee, known for their aggressive high pressing.
Well, absolutely, that takes a lot of hard work, a lot of organisation, force the opposition to make early passes. The weakness of it, if you beat the high press, you can get exposed.
Thank you.
And here's how Everton line up. England international Jordan Pickford will be in goal. Leighton Baines plays with Djibril Sidibe in the fullback positions. Alex Iwobi starts with Theo Walcott in the wide areas. And it's two strikers up front who will look to provide the goal-scoring threat. Adama. And providing width. Well, they were in a decent enough position, but nothing comes of it. Moutinho. It's with Moutinho. Adama. He continues his run. Options around him. And very deftly cut out. Superb challenge from Andre Gomes. Can they hit on the break? Defenders need to cover. On the ball, Richarlison. Calvert-Lewin. Just couldn't keep the ball. In possession, Adama. Adama. It's with Ruben Neves. Jimenez. Adama. Fruitful looking attack. And a chance for them to nudge in front. Simple save, really. Andre Gomes. Couldn't hang on to it. Others in the vicinity. Well, that's the kind of play you want from your defender. And they'll have to throw it back in play. Here is Andre Gomes. And they will be awarded a free kick for that. Neves. Well, that is how to run at defenders. Ruben Vinagre. It's all about translating threats into goals. Diogo Jota. And space for the cross. Is this the moment? It could be up for grabs. Beautifully disguised ball. Iwobi. Can't miss, surely. And it is the opening goal of the contest.
Well, it was always going to be a tight game, but now all of a sudden one team ahead. Things have got to change on both sides. Well, the coaches will tell you, pass the ball how you would like to receive it. Perfectly weighted, and he finished it off brilliantly.
Well, let's have another view of that goal.
Well, just look at the reactions on the touchline. They just need to keep their composure now. This is far from over.
Back in business then, and Everton with the advantage. He's given it straight to the opposition. Making excellent progress with the ball at his feet. And crossed in there. I'm sure, you know, he wishes he could have that header back.
Well, in that position, you should think he's going to score, but it's really a poor effort with his head. Wolves' possession stats are brilliant, but they have to create more, they have to be more positive. The final third play has been slow, too predictable.
I think he knew he was guilty of fouling. Free kick conceded. In possession, Adama. The shot wasn't really far enough away from the goalkeeper, was it?
No, but he picked up the flight nice and early.
And on the ball, Keane. We've been waiting to find out. Now we know. A minimum of 3 added minutes here. Iwobi. Andre Gomes. Calvert-Lewin. Might be a chance here. Dearie me, a golden chance missed. It might come back to haunt him.
Well, you learn the script time and time.
And with that, the first half draws to a close. I think most fans would be pretty happy with this man's display so far.
Well, Derek, it certainly was a good 45 minutes from the lad. Obviously got the goal to give him the lead, but he's looked...
The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half. Here's Walcott. On the ball, Richarlison. And it's Tom Davies. And it's come off the keeper. Moutinho. Ruben Neves. Jimenez. And a throw-in forthcoming. And they have elected to go to the bench at this stage of the game. Andre Gomes. Iwobi. Matt Doherty. Podence. Useful looking position, you've got to say. Cutting in, what can he do from this position? And will it be the leveller? Must score! Well, that wasn't a million miles away.
No, it was close. It was a decent effort. They'll keep plugging away, I'm sure.
CDB. Half an hour remaining then. Richarlison. Walcott. Has teammates waiting inside the area. It's with Ruben Neves. Into the advanced position. Ruben Vinagre. Moutinho. Nodded straight down the throat of the goalkeeper.
Right behind it. The only way you can score there goes either side of the keeper. Everton stats for possession, not great, but when they've had the ball, they keep delivering the sucker punch. A great advert for low possession, counter-attacking football. It's really working.
Here is Andre Gomes. Well, the attacking options appear plentiful. And delivered towards the back post. Oh, and couldn't convert.
Substitution for Everton coming up.
And a substitution in the offing.
Andreas Gomez to be replaced by number 8, Fabian Delph.
Ruben Neves. He's given it straight to the opposition. Matt Doherty. Jimenez. And threading it forward. It looked as though he might have been onside, but he was just a fraction off.
Oh, I'm not so sure. I'd like to see that again.
Baines. 10 minutes left for play in this match. Possession changes hands, the interception there.
Well, listen to the atmosphere in here. The fans are doing their bit, trying to spur them on for the equaliser. The players are using this energy from the crowd to drive them forward time after time to get back into this.
It needs an accurate cross. Raúl Jimenez. Tremendous intuition to win it back. Moving forward effectively. Surely the equaliser. I'll tell you what, Lee, a key moment in the game, that save.
Right at the end as well.
Played into the centre of the box. And a half-baked clearance. Simple save, really. And the referee has added on 2 minutes of stoppage time.
2 minutes.
Sigurdsson. Well, it's a really poor challenge. Now, what's the referee going to do about it? That will certainly mean a booking here.
And now he's on a tightrope.
Difficult shot to take on. Routine save for the keeper.
Yeah, it's the distance. Look how far out he is. Easy, easy save in the end.
That's it. The referee brings the action to an end. Well, I think it's accurate to say, Lee, that this man was the light bringer for his side.
He's always a man to watch for the opposition, but they couldn't keep tabs on him in that vital moment when he grabbed that goal.
Now, what's the referee going to do about it? That will certainly mean a booking here.
And now he's on a tightrope.
Difficult shot to take on. Routine save for the keeper.
Yeah, it's the distance. Look how far out he is. Easy, easy save in the end.
That's it. The referee brings the action to an end. Well, I think it's accurate to say, Lee, that this man was the light bringer for his side.
He's always a man to watch for the opposition, but they couldn't keep tabs on him in that vital moment when he grabbed that goal.